what's up YouTube? This is your boy IC Street Tech coming to you guys with a different video this time. I'm actually coming to you guys with a motor vehicle episode. This basically is just going to be like a rebuild, almost sort of like a rebuild, restore type of build that I'm going to be doing today. I did a couple things on it. I'll probably tell you guys in the comment below like what I did and everything else like that. But this is going to be my episode of restoring a Tahoe. A little bit about this. I wanted to get into the rebuilding things, like taking Copart cars, rebuilding them. But I wanted to get into that episode. But you guys let me know down in the comment below. Do you think I should get into that, or should I do that? If you'd like to see, tell me what vehicles I should bid on, or what vehicles I should get, or something on that, because we're going to start off with this one and then we're going to work our way up to the other ones. But since it's winter time here where I live at, we get a lot of snow. So I wanted to get something like this to still be able to drive and fix up. So time the spring hit, it'd be a nice, beautiful vehicle, truck. But we're going to get right into it. But this is the Tahoe. This is the Tahoe. You guys, by me walking around it and everything else and showing you guys about it, you give me and tell me what year is this Tahoe. So we're gonna get into that too. My bad, I'm trying to fix this camera, guys. My bad. And I'm gonna have a whole bunch of new cameras set up and everything else. But you guys tell me. What should we do to it? I'm actually gonna walk around the vehicle. Excuse me with the lighting. That lighting is messing everything. But I'm gonna walk around the vehicle, show you everything. I'm gonna just glance around it, open up the garage so I get a little more around it, you know. But this is where I'm gonna be trying to build everything. If I don't do it in here, new place is coming up soon. I will be doing it in a new place, but I know the garage, I wanted something a little better than this one. But this one could do for right now. But you guys tell me. We're gonna walk around, and then I'll talk later. All right, let's get a walk around. This is what I'm gonna change these. You guys tell me what I should do. Should I keep them chrome or should I change them black? But I know I definitely want to get some aftermarket lights for these. Let's see here. We are going to change the bumper. We're going to replace that. Do come with fog lights. We're going to replace those. The hood, I'm thinking about putting the aftermarket hood on there. I'm not for sure, but I might just wet sand this down and do everything to it. But you guys let me know. I'm going to open it up so you can see what engine it is. So you definitely can tell me what model it is. But the thing is, I replaced the battery already. I am busting out an oil change in there. And I might be replacing the spark plugs and wires. But my bad. Sorry, I'm going to get a better camera. I'm actually working on that. And merch will be coming soon too. But I'm just let you put a light here so you can see, get an idea. Everything on here run perfect. You know, it's a V, you know, joint there. And the funny thing is, the air conditioner works fabulous on this thing. Air conditioner and then you guys leave a guess on the bottom how many miles is on here too. So we're gonna do that too. Actually, if you see here, it got a little bit of, you know, clear coat faded away on this one. So the tires are good. The whole body style is good. It's just been in the snow and the dirt. So excuse me on that. I am going to be doing a wash where I'm going to walk around and show you a little bit more in here. But right now I just wanted to give you an idea like what's around it. You know, like on top of the roof, it got clear coat need replaced. It do got a sunroof. This thing is like fully loaded too. I'm actually might replace this door handle, or I might just repaint it. But I'm thinking about wrapping this car. You guys leave a comment down below and think what I should do. I got the peanut butter inside. I call it pretty decent peanut butter. I cleaned up this door a little bit. It actually was way worse than this and dirty. I cleaned that up. I didn't get the carpet part, but I am going to get the carpet part. But you can see the carpet is still dirty. I'm going to replace that. Let me get it to focus here. But yeah, I'm going to sand this down. Not sand it down, but I'm going to carpet clean this all out, vacuum it, clean it all out. I actually got a brake line fixed on this thing. The leather seats, I am going to replace the leather seats. Not replace them, but I'm going to put leather seat repair. I might take a repair guy, or I might just get leather seat covers to fix up on that. The steering, still good around it on this part. I am going to fix in here because there's a hole inside this part here, so I'm going to replace the dashboard. This console here, I'm trying to get this, close in or replace that. But all four-wheel drive and everything works on here. And you see, got the old school radio. Tell me, guys, do you think I should change this and get like an Apple CarPlay radio, stuff like that in here? This works. The rear works. And I'm going to actually open up the garage. So I did open up the garage right now. So all three of these work. And sunroof works. And you can see I use it right now. I'm just giving you like a little brief because I'm going to open the trunk too so you can see. And it's got like a lot of space inside here, like tons of space like in here, in this part here. And then you got your normal change and part thing. I cleaned up in here too. I did a little detailing, probably where you could leave your, actually I think this is where you leave your tape deck and 8-track. But it comes with 3 power supply for you to put your cigarette lighter or whatever you want to put in there. I come with usually an ashtray, but I don't do those. I don't smoke, so we're gonna get around here. Like I said before, it's dirty, so that here. So I got a better lighting now, so you can see on here. But it's an LT model, but I'm thinking about restoring this, and I might do what I used to do, because I used to take cars, fix them up, flip them. I should have got my own car dealership, but I might end up doing that. But you guys, I wanted to just give you a walk around. I'm replacing the tail lights, everything on those. You can see there. I am going to be replacing this top here, replacing that. But this trunk opens. And I'm going to be replacing this because I think this is getting a little loose. So I'm replacing that. But you can see back here, I'm a detail here. Do got a new filter in there for it to do a filter. But this part here, this is good, but I don't need it. But I might replace it. But the back end is good. No, easy shut. Tail light, we'll replace that, and I'm gonna replace the windshield wipers in the back. I'm gonna replace this. But you can see here, this car is not bad at all. This truck, I mean. It don't really have no dents or anything on it. It got minor dents, because the person said they worked on it. But I just bought this thing, and you leave a guess down below too, like what year it is and how much you think I paid for this. Just to start off with it, and how much you think I paid for this Tahoe. Now you see on the other side, it didn't have the step rail, so I'm actually going to be replacing those probably with steel ones, or I might just go with plastic, stay with it, because plastic don't rust out. You see here, yeah, see this is where one of the dents is. I think you can see it right there is one of the dents. I might end up shutting that garage, it's pretty cold out here. But like I said before, this engine and everything on here is like, you guess how many miles it is too. For how many miles and everything is on this thing, this thing is still worth a lot of money. Still get a pretty penny with this vehicle. But the tires are great. I fixed the brake line. I just got to get an ABS box replaced on here. But like I said before, everything is great. Like leaving the driver's passenger side, I'll just leave the passenger side the way it is because it's not too bad of a rip. Because there's repair guys that fix these. I wish it was the new model where you had to, park there, but got everything in there. Got stuff what I fixed up on the vehicle and stuff like that. I didn't clean this side, so you can see it's a little dirty. I might see if I could get any type of dirt marks or anything on it. I can see it on there, but this keep falling off. I'm actually going to have to replace that. I'm going to actually replace that just to fix it up. But I'm going to replace the lights that comes in here. Like I said before, a little dent part there. There's only one rust spot I found on this vehicle. It's right here. But I could sand that down and fix that up right there because it looked like he probably chipped it. Or something like that. But other than that, you know, put some little stuff on here to fix out the little squeaking noise. No rust at all. You know, like I said before, this, and it got heated mirrors too. See the indicator. Yeah, the indicator is right there. You can see, got heated mirrors. That's one thing. Like I said before, this is like a fully loaded one. Guys, should I replace the back tail? The tail, should I replace that and make it all black, or should I keep this car all black or gray or whatever? You guys let me know. I'm actually gonna shut the garage light. So I reset the garage with the front because it works in here. Like I said, all the lights work in here still. And one thing I do like about these, they got heated seats. You get heated seats and they do work. But everything power, you know, lumbar and everything else is actually power on here. Let me put the light back on for you guys. But everything is power on here. So, you know, just tell me what your thoughts. You know, got the stock tires on here, but they are good tires. They're stock tires. This thing is a beast in the snow. Just to let you guys know. But, you know, there it is. You know, the Tahoe. Tell me, you guys, let me know what model, what year you think this is, and how many miles it got on it, and how much I paid for it. Leave a comment below. Share, spread. This is episode 1 of restoring this Tahoe. Right now, I could drive it around. I'm about to get the other sticker done on this because this car is fabulous. It drives good. And changing the belts because the belts squeak. And it cranks right up. Actually, I'm going to crank it up for you guys. That's one thing I meant to do. Matter of fact, let's do that one time for you guys. Let's get a crank up for you guys. Now, the muffler don't sound like, you know, you know what I mean? It got the crank on it. But I'm going to open this garage just a little bit. I'm going to just let that garage open for a little bit and get right into it. So the only thing that I have on here that you will see once I crank it up is it's going to have ABS and brake light on because I have an ABS system box I have to replace on here. Now you hear that. Started out right good. Everything sounds good on here. Like you hear the whistling because that's the belts. But like I said before, this don't tell you the true gas thing. That's one thing I know about this year. It don't tell you the true gas, but listen to that. But I'm gonna let you listen to the pipes. So this is gonna be what we might work on too. So this is the first type of pipes. We do got a little bit of rum to it, but now, everything works on here. Everything works. So you hear the door unlock and lock, but it starts up pretty good. No problems. Had to get the fumes out of my face. But like I said before, I just wanted to show you guys the vehicle. Well, I'm gonna get on top here so you get more of an idea. But this is the Tahoe. You tell me, like I said before, you tell me what year. What model, what year, and you know it's an LT, what year, how many miles, and how much you think I paid for it. Any person that's get close to us, I will be doing a giveaway, whoever get close on this video. So whenever this video get up to 10 likes and over 100 views, I will do a giveaway on, leaving a comment below and tell me what y'all think of the miles, the year, and how much I paid. If you get that correct answer down below, whoever's closest, I'll be doing a giveaway for a probably $50 to $100 gift card to O'Reilly, Advance Auto, AutoZone, any of those things that y'all like to shop from. Amazon. Let me know. Leave a comment below. And I'm trying to reach over 1,000 subscribers to keep going so we can get revenue off of this channel and trying to build this thing a little bit more. Like I said, I got a lot of work to do with the paint. So for right now, I'm doing the material things, and then I get the interior on that. So this is just me recording and restoring this vehicle. But guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Do you think I should restore it? You think I should just get the parts fixed and then sell it and then flip it for another one? You guys let me know. This is just something I'm trying to get into, something I like to do. I do tech. I do cars because I love cars and sports. So I'll be getting to that, during the springtime. You will see I will have my own channel for that. We're doing sports. But like I said before, guys, leave a comment below, and let's get to the next video. Let's get to this video. Let's get to the next one, doing some more things on it. And just like I said before, let's get into it. Let's get talking. What you think I guys should do to it? Should I lift it? That's the biggest thing. I want to lift this thing and, do a lot of things to it. But you guys let me know. Do you think it's worth it, or just sell it, get something newer, and then lift that one? Because I love Ram. I love, Chevy vehicles, and I love Dodge vehicles. And, F-150s, I do like those too, and Mustangs. That's the only thing I love them for it. But everything else, it's pretty cool. But like I said, guys, leave a comment below, and let's get talking. And see you on the next video. Peace.